An odd-looking aircraft, the Gloster AS-31 survey. Aerial survey was regarded as a key to developing the British dominions and colonies in the early 1920s. The official contracts to the Ordnance Survey, the aircraft operating company, used converted de Havilland DH9s in the role, but by 1926 a replacement was required, and a specification was written by the organisation. A twin-engined aircraft of metal construction that could be, in an emergency, broken down for transport was outlined. It had to be able to maintain 9,000 feet, or 2,743 metres, on one engine with a full load. De Havilland responded with the DH-67B, but construction of the aircraft passed to Gloster, which refined it to produce the AS-31 survey, powered by two 525 horsepower Bristol Jupiter X1 engines. Two prototypes were built. The first, Golf Alpha Alpha Delta Oscar, flew in June 1929 and in March 1930 departed for South Africa on a survey flight for the Zimbabwe Basin over northern Rhodesia, now Zambia, and Central Africa, before being sold to the South African Air Force as 250. The AS-31 was operated by the Air Force's photography section. Very cool. Until withdrawn from service in 1942. The second aircraft, Kilo 2602, was used by the Air Ministry at Farnborough, Hampshire, between November 1931 and September 1936. Specifications: crew 3, 2 pilots and 1 camera operator. Capacity 800 pounds. Survey equipment. Length 48 feet 6 inches. Wingspan 61 feet 0 inches. Height 18 feet 9 inches. Wing area 1,025 square feet. Empty weight 5,614 pounds. Gross weight 8,570 pounds. Power plant 2 Bristol Jupiter X1 geared air-cooled radials, 525 horsepower each. Performance: maximum speed 131 miles per hour, cruising speed 110 miles per hour, range 495 miles, endurance 4 to 5 hours, surface ceiling 21,900 feet. It had 500 flying hours on the clock and surveyed 63,000 square miles. Gloster recovered interest from Egypt for a bomber and reconnaissance version and was quoted £11,000 per aircraft, but no order was placed.